PancakeSwap and Uniswap have been involved in a competitive battle for TVL for some time, with Uniswap so far coming out ahead. PancakeSwap is attempting to surpass Uniswap by implementing growth measures such as making their platform available on multiple blockchain networks. PancakeSwap's TVL is currently at $2.31 billion, though it had peaked at $7.8 billion in 2021. Uniswap had a $3.23 billion market cap at press time, with its peak TVL in 2021 being just over $10 billion. Transaction volume analysis has revealed that PancakeSwap has been attracting more users or activity. However, Uniswap is also not sleeping at the wheel and is now headed for a V3 launch. Cake is currently worth $33.6 million in the last 7 days and $3.8 million in the last 24 hours. This article provides a detailed analysis of the current battle between PancakeSwap and Uniswap for total value locked. PancakeSwap has been attempting to surpass Uniswap in TVL and has implemented strategic growth measures to try and do so. However, Uniswap has been making its own moves, such as the upcoming V3 launch, to remain ahead. The article also provides a transaction volume analysis to compare the two dexes. Additionally, it takes a look at the performance of Cake, the native token of PancakeSwap, in the last 7 days. The analysis shows that the token has been losing value consistently and is currently in the oversold territory. Crypto markets surged in the past 24 hours, with Bitcoin and Ether reaching new highs. USD coin issuer Circle said it would cover all shortfall in reserves, while federal regulators said SVB depositors would have access to all funds. Traders betting against the market were liquidated, with $183 million in shorts being forced to close their positions. Liquidations on Ether futures crossed $78 million and Bitcoin futures liquidations reached $68 million, suggesting the market surge was spot-driven. Binance saw the most liquidations at $75 million, followed by OKX at $47 million. Overall, this article provides an informative overview of the market trends in crypto assets, specifically regarding the impacts of recent issues at Silicon Valley Bank. It provides a detailed description of the liquidation process and the large liquidations of both BTC and ETH futures. The article also provides insights on which exchanges and tokens saw the most activity in terms of liquidations. The article is well organized and provides a clear understanding of the market trends. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, has a sizable following, and is highly underrated when it comes to decentralization. It is currently outperforming Litecoin and Ethereum Classic in terms of hash rate, despite being lower than Bitcoin's 355.37 AS. BCH also has a higher block size than BTC, facilitating a higher TPS. Despite being heavily undervalued compared to BTC, BCH recently saw a bounce back underpinned by significant whale accumulation. Addresses within the 100,000 to 1 million BCH category have been contributing to some selling pressure, limiting the upside. This article provides a comprehensive overview of Bitcoin Cash and how it has managed to maintain a large following despite being overshadowed by its more popular counterparts. It highlights the decentralization of Bitcoin Cash, which is represented by its higher hash rate compared to other cryptocurrencies. The article also looks into the factors that are currently impacting the price of BCH, such as whale accumulation and transaction volume. Ultimately, the article paints a positive picture of Bitcoin Cash and its future prospects. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse took to Twitter to reassure the public of the company's stability. He also reassured them of its financial position despite its exposure to Silicon Valley Bank. He noted that Ripple had taken precautions to mitigate any potential disruption to their day-to-day operations. The Federal Reserve later confirmed that no losses would be borne by taxpayers. Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency had experienced a price dip. Garlinghouse expressed optimism for the company's future in a legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This article provides an overview of Ripple's exposure to Silicon Valley Bank and how CEO Brad Garlinghouse handled the situation by reassuring users of Ripple's stability. It also looks at the Federal Reserve's move to provide banks with liquidity during times of financial stress and CTO David Schwartz's comments on the matter. Lastly, it examines the impact of the Ripple versus SEC case on its XRP token's price and Ripple's overall growth prospects. The article provides a comprehensive overview of Ripple's current situation and its potential for the future. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, announced on Monday that it will convert $1 billion worth of BUST. It will be converted to Bitcoin, Ether, BNB coin and other tokens to support the market. The transaction took 5 seconds and cost $1.29, and it likely contributed to buying pressure which caused Bitcoin, Ether and BNB to rise significantly. The move came as the crypto market was suffering from the closure of multiple crypto-friendly banks by US regulators. This article discusses Binance's decision to transfer $1 billion worth of BUST tokens to Bitcoin, Ether, BNB coin and other tokens, to support the market. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao reported that the transaction only took 5 seconds and cost only $1.29. The move likely contributed to buying pressure, which resulted in Bitcoin, Ether and BNB coin prices rising. The article further explains that the move came as the crypto market suffered another blow, due to US regulators shutting down the crypto-friendly Signature Bank. This article provides a comprehensive overview of the situation, giving readers a clear understanding of the current market conditions. Chris Berniski is a partner at venture capital firm Placeholder. He recently discussed valuation techniques of cryptocurrencies on a Real Vision podcast with Raoul Pal. Berniski agreed that Ethereum and Solana will be the benchmarks of the crypto space. He highlighted their superiority in comparison to Polkadot and Cosmos. He also stated that his VC firm was interested in investing in projects related to decentralized applications. Berniski made headlines last year after correctly predicting the 2022 crypto bottom. Chris Berniski's podcast with Raoul Pal provides valuable insight into the cryptocurrency market and the importance of Ethereum and Solana. Berniski's comparison of ETH to US Treasuries in terms of risk-minimized yield is an apt analogy. He further adds that as long as ETH and SOL maintain their dominance in the cryptocurrency space, they will continue to be the main benchmark. His previous prediction of the 2022 crypto bottom further strengthens his argument. He also emphasizes the importance of design choices in Polkadot and Cosmos, and how ETH and SOL have an advantage in terms of network effects. Lastly, his suggestion of investing in blockchain infrastructure projects and dApps is a point of consideration for investors. This podcast provides a useful analysis of the current crypto market and provides valuable insight for investors. The collapse of Silicon Valley Bank has highlighted the risks associated with centralized banking. It has brought attention to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a hedge against these risks. The 2013 Cyprus banking crisis has demonstrated the effects of fractional reserve banking, where customer deposits are not as safe as they seem. Additionally, the recent decline in US Treasury prices and the resulting liquidity shortage have also demonstrated this effect. This has reignited the debate about the benefits of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. They offer users a form of self-custody and are resistant to seizure. This article is an informative and well-structured look into the recent collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and the possible implications it has for Bitcoin. The authors draw parallels between this event and the 2013 Cyprus banking crisis, noting how it highlights the flaws in the fractional reserve system, and the need for decentralized, censorship-resistant cryptocurrency as a hedge against centralized banking. The authors also explain the details of the SVB crisis and the measures taken to address it, and discuss how the entire episode is a reminder of how customers' funds are not as safe in regulated banks as they may think. The article further references the 2013 rally of Bitcoin in response to the Cyprus crisis and how this could be a sign of things to come. Overall, this is an insightful article that brings attention to a noteworthy issue. Over the past 24 hours, Ripple moved a total of 916 million XRP, representing $262.4 million in fiat USD. The transfers were between Ripple-linked wallets and to the Bitstamp and Bittrex exchanges. Despite the closure of the third crypto-friendly bank, the crypto market, including Bitcoin, remained unaffected. This article provides an overview of the recent activity of Ripple, including the transfer of 916 million XRP between Ripple-linked wallets and exchanges. It also explains the implications of the third major crypto-friendly bank shutting down and the impact on TUS stablecoin minting. In addition, the article provides an update on Bitcoin, noting its 10% rise in price and its current trading level.